Sanibonani nonke. Ngicela ukuthi ngibingelele ngokukhethekile Premier Zikelala. Ngibingelele iCabinet efikile namhlanje, ngibingelele o-MEC, ngibingelele imndeni, ngibingelele namalunga e-NFP aphumile in their numbers. Ize noma bese akungabi njalo, ngicela nje okuhle kakhulu, kodwa ke inhliziyo zabantu zibhlungu njengezethu. Igama lami nguGugu wakwaGumede. This is my mother, a strong woman, a resilient woman, and today I promised her and I promised myself as well that I was going to be just as strong. So that's what I'm going to do. Ngizokhulumela on behalf of the children, my brother and I. This is a road that we never thought that we'd take. Umama wagula 2014. Doctors wrote her off, everybody wrote her off. Kwathiwa sekuphelile ngayo kodwa umama wenza isimanga. Umama wavuka ekufeni. My mother defied death. Wavuka ene stroke, wavuka ene aphasia, waqhubeka wahola iqembu lakhe, waqhubeka wahola umndeni waKaMagwaza. Waqhubeka umama wasitshengisa sonke ukuthi umuntu resilient umuntu onjani emhlabeni. Through the pain, through the suffering, ngizontshela namhlanje ukuthi my mother was the strongest woman I knew. My mother was fun. My mother was laughter. Mawubona umama befuna ukuhleka njalo at all times. Efuna njalo ukuthi abantu bejabule, efuna njalo abantu ukuthi babe fulfilled empilweni zabo in every sense. And today she lies here. Usewuqedile umsebenzi wakhe. So many people are concerned, especially about me. Ngoba bebazi kahle kamhlophe ukuthi my mother was, I used to call my mother a king. My mother is a king. She is above even a queen. Because angikaze ngimbone umuntu osifazana olesibindi kanje. Namhlanje isibindi sakhe usiphile nathi. Sizoma namhlanje sizothi yengwayo njengabantwana bakho. Sizoqhubeka umsebenzi wakho. You fulfilled your mission. Usebenzile nje. Usebenzile yengwayo. Ubasebenzelile abantu bakho. My mother worked hard for abantu. I think niyibonile obituary yakhe ukuthi umama bemsebenzela umuntu enganandaba ukuthi is it a millionaire, a billionaire noma umuntu onganalutho. Umama bebathanda abantu from umama odayisa iKabishe Plaza to ubaba omdala onemali in the suburbs of Sandton. My mother did not choose who to work for. And today her work speaks for itself. My mother is the strongest woman and one of the strongest politicians in South Africa. Today we thank the Premier ukuthi ukwazile ukumbestow an honor of the state funeral. And she is well deserving of it. She is well deserving of it. Akekho umuntu osifazana benjengayo. So namhlanje ngizonicela nonke, the whole of South Africa, the NFP yonkana, ngizocela ukuthi niqine. Ngizonicela ukuthi niqhubeke. Ngicela ukunazisa ukuthi njengabantwana bakhe besihlala umama simnakekela. And can I say, I want to thank profusely the family abasimele. Umalusi namasikaze sizizwe sisodwa. Besihlale njalo sisekele umndeni wethu waKaMagwaza. Namhlanje ngicela ukuthi nginibonge kakhulu bonjinji yengwayo. Ukuthi umama nimesekile namhlanje umama bethi mayethimula umndeni wonke ugcwale immediately. Ethi mayekhwehlela umndeni wonke ugcwale immediately asikaze sibe sodwa. And I want to thank them profusely for that. Ngicela ukubonga umayengwayo nompumelelo, untokozo, uthandeka, abantu besihlala naye siwa sivuka nabo. Simgadile umama, and we did it. Oh my goodness, we did it. Umama wathi esanda kuhamba esalele embhedeni. Umphefumulo sanda kumshiya. I said, Mama, you did it. Mama, you won. Umama ukulala la ngicela nazi ukuthi hayi ngoba ehlulekile. Ulele la ngoba enqobile. Umsebenzi wakho usewenzile. Bese kuyisikhathi sakhe sokuthi ahambe. And uhambe azi ukuthi she did it. The minute ahamba, isibhakabhaka sashintsha sabamnyama eThekwini. I opened amakhethini ngathi, Mama, look, you were a legend. Ngisho namazulu ayakhulumela namhlanje. Ngisho namazulu ayamkhulumela. So ngicela ukubonga kakhulu. Ngisho ngithi, Mom, Njinji, siyakuthanda namanje. We honored you then. It was the greatest honor to be umntwana wakho. It was the greatest honor to serve you. Ugula, ukufa kukuthathe so quickly enwayo. But I said to you, Uguti, I will still want to serve you for many more years, ngoba it was the greatest honor. And I'll continue to serve you. I'll continue your strength. Njengabantwana bakho will continue. And ngiyacela ukuthi ningakhali kakhulu. Duduzekani nonke nazi ukuthi umama is at peace. She's resting. So we thank you so much for the love. We feel it. God bless you. Niqhubeke konke unjinja besifundisa kona. Nikwenze nakwabanye. Thank you so much.